Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Gemini in Looker Studio. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so before we start, Google Gemini can be used with Looker Studio to help analyze, summarize, and generate insights from your dashboard and data. But since Looker Studio doesn't have a direct Gemini button inside the interface, you can still use Gemini alongside Looker Studio in a few different ways. So the main way is to open up Gemini in a new separate tab. And then from here, we can ask for help with things like what dimensions and metrics to use, how to filter your data, how to structure dashboards and suggested calculations and formulas, and simply copy and paste Gemini's suggestions into your Looker Studio setup. So for example, for this, if I want to create a Looker Studio report for website traffic with sessions by country, device breakdown and date filter, suggest the best layouts and metric, and then Gemini is going to give me an answer for this. So basically, Gemini is your AI assistant working alongside Looker Studio and won't appear inside the interface. You can bring the questions, it brings the answers and formula inside of its own tab here.